Hello, welcome back to Sabtech Online. Today I'm going to take you through how you can highlight the entire column with a cell selected. This is going to be a fantastic trick you'll use for productivity when you're doing your presentation. So those who present some of the data using Excel, this is a trick for you. So stay around up to the end of the video. You'll have to harness this simple trick. Now, how is the trick that when you select any cell, the whole row, the entire row is going to be highlighted. This is what we are talking about. When I select here, you see the entire row gets selected. So even if I'm scrolling from one to the other using my arrow buttons, the entire row gets selected. This is wonderful when you're presenting your data such that it highlights out the whole entire row. So how do you do this? Stay tuned. Meanwhile, you can go ahead, subscribe to Sabtech Online, give us a like, leave us a comment. That is very important. So I have data here I'm going to use. You see, when I select any cell, there is no highlighting that is taking place. So what do you do first? Select the entire data, go to home, then conditional formatting, new rule. So the new rule, click on use a formula to determine the cells, which cells to format. So this is the formula you're going to input. Very simple formula, equals to cell, open brackets, open quotes, row, close the quotes, close the bracket, equals again, row, open brackets and close. So this one is telling us that the activated cell in that row should equal to the entire row. So when that is activated, you'll tell Excel, you know what, go format maybe the entire row. You can give it a yellow background. This time let me use an orange background. You can say, okay, with border, I need an outline border. You can even give a font a bold, and the numbers, whatever you do is what you want your viewers to see. So go ahead and do okay. Okay. Now, this being said, you see that the first column, the header, is the one that gets selected. Why? Because we are selecting the whole data, and our data starts always from A1. That's why this is being selected. So if I click on the other cells, it is not being, it doesn't change. Why? Because we need to recalculate. You know, Excel always recalculates in the background. So we need to create something that will keep recalculating the other formula we put in the condition. So how do we do that? Go to your tab or your sheet, right click, view code. Now you'll get a Visual Basic application window. If you don't have this, make sure that you enable developer tab. So change genre to worksheet, then you'll get the private sub. In the middle, we are going to type target dot calculate. Only that. Save this. It's going to tell you to save a VBA. I'm going to cancel that. Cancel the Visual Basic window. So I think now you see that every time we move our cursor, everything gets highlighted. And the way we wanted it, it is bolded. You can even increase the font. You can do whatever you want. So when I'm presenting to the team, it becomes easy for them to focus on an entire row. Even if I was looking for a number here, a sales order, and we got it, then the entire room will be looking at this data, the product key, the sales territory key, the unit price. So that's it, guys. So go ahead and leave us a comment. If this is the nicest thing you have seen this year, leave us a comment. hit that notification bell such that you can always get notifications when we post a video. Otherwise, I wish you a good day, a good night, a good evening, and I meet you in the next video. Bye bye.